Hello everybody, I am Ulrich with your Fix It Auto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your trunk struts on your 6th gen Toyota Celica. Now I've had a couple friends request this video simply because they've tried to replace the struts by themselves in the past and it ended up breaking their brackets because they did not know how to do it correctly. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. I've had a couple friends in the past who have the same exact car that have tried to pry this off and it does not work like that, and they've actually destroyed the brackets and the mounting points on the hood. So we want to avoid doing that, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, to get this out, most people, what they would try to do is pop this out and they would get like a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar and try to pull this out. I do not recommend that. That'll break this. You simply need to grab a 12mm wrench, get it on there, and then just loosen it up, and then this should just come right out. And then on the top part, you just do the same. You grab an open end wrench. Might help out to swing this out so that way it's inside. Get it flat, and then you can see if you can, yep, just like that. And then you should be able to just loosen that right out. And as I'm removing this, I'm paying attention that there is blue thread locker, so I'll be sure to put it on the new bolt. It does come with the new gas-powered strut as well as new bolts in order to put in there, and I'll show you just how to install this. And the assembly came with these two bolts, and when you saw that when I removed the old strut, it did have this blue thread locker on it, so I'll be sure to place some on there. Just need a small dab, and then I can place that in there. To make things go by a little bit quicker, you can also use a 13mm wrench. You can get a decent amount in by hand though. Doesn't need to be too tight, it just needs to be nice and snug. And then with a small dab of thread locker, we can also put this back into place. I can pretty much thread this the whole way in by hand. Tighten this right back up. And now it's time to snap these in. These just pop right in. Make sure that the skinny side is on the bottom and it just snaps right in. Then you do the same to the top. And then you do the same to the top. You may have to push it down just a little bit. There we go. In order to get it to go in. And it just snaps right in. In the future, if you do need to take these out to replace them, then all you have to do is put a small screwdriver or flathead screwdriver, pry this little C seal here, pry back on it, and it should be able to pop right out. Be sure to keep that in mind.
And that's it, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you all think down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.